We've seen a lot, we've heard a lot about being in a relationship with Pakistan or Filipina has sad endings, but there's no doubt that there are a lot of happy married couple or even not married yet who are in a peaceful relationship, who are not in a social media, but they are happy despite of the differences, despite of the cultural uh, differences, obviously. So I just want to, you guys can share your love story as well on the comment section, or even you can message me and we can do like an interview portion if you're willing to, right? So we spread the good news or good vibes instead of focusing on, oh, why you're in a relationship with Pakistani, oh, why you're in a relationship with Filipina who are single. Most of these comments are not really good to hear, but that's